up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Lashae, and today I'm back with a video which honestly, y'all saw the title. I have not been to Trader Joe's. My man Trader Joe's, where you been at all my life? Y'all, Trader Joe's is so far away. It's like 50 minutes in traffic. My food will be defrosted by the time I get back, so I rarely go unless it's like those specialty items that I can only get there, or things that I'm craving. You know how they do like their own like frozen things, like that stuff just be hitting so hard. So I figured today would be a good day, since I'm back in town, to kind of stock up on some favorites, some staple items, but most importantly, see what new items are out in store right now. I think my next Trader Joe's video, let me know in the comments if you want me to do one, will be pumpkin season. Last year, I think I went crazy, or maybe it was the year before, but I get so excited during pumpkin season because they just do the most amazing things. So let me know if you guys would like to see that here on my YouTube channel, but I'm so excited to do like a taste test, a review, and show you guys what items are out now in stores that's new, like pantry items and food items that I personally have been interested to check out on Instagram. That's where I get all my Trader Joe's news. And there's a lot of dairy-free alternatives, which you guys will be able to see in this video too. So I'll probably come back in my weekly vlog and do like a taste test of these grocery items as I continue to eat them throughout the week. So make sure you guys check out that video when it goes live if you want to see any of those things and if they're actually good, and or how I pair them with other recipes and ingredients that you guys could also kind of recreate. So I think that'll be like the best way to kind of utilize those things, because I just miss Trader Joe's. You know, the prices are right, the food is amazing, it's super convenient and great for people like me that are lazy, that don't necessarily like to cook every little thing themselves. So I've just been, you know, itching to get myself back into the store. So let's head to Trader Joe's. We'll come back and I'll do a little haul for you guys and show you guys what I picked up. I am back from Trader Joe's. Look at this. I got a new bag. You know, Virginia, we apparently are the state of ham. But I thought this was super cute. So I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a haul. There is a lot of new stuff in here that I am wanting to like try out for you guys. So let's go ahead and get through that. This is one of those items. This is a barbecue and it's made with cold brew coffee. This is, I don't know, probably gonna be a hit or a miss. I'm gonna try this out in a weekly vlog and let you guys know what I think about that. I just got some basic ingredients like an avocado, a bag of lemons so I could get back to doing my lemon water in the morning. I also picked up this new item, which is the organic vegetarian chili. And this doesn't have any tofu in it, which I'm actually really excited about. It also does not contain any soy ingredients. So I think this will be good just to have on its own. And I'll let you guys know again if this is flavorful. I've had some of their chilies before and I wasn't too crazy about them, but I want to see how that kind of compares. Another new item, y'all know I love my seasonings. We have the barbecue 101. So I figured this will be good to do on proteins. So this main ingredient is brown sugar, so it's gonna be a little bit sweet, I'm sure. Paprika, garlic, red chili pepper, onion, and black pepper. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love that. Ooh, these are also new. They definitely had a lot of variety out. This is a sweet and spicy pickle chip and onions. So I thought this would be good on this side, or maybe to put it inside of a wrap or something, I don't know. How do you guys feel about sweet pickles? I usually don't go for sweet. I like the dill, but that might be pretty good. I also got this. This is a smoothie, a green smoothie. And I usually just get the juices, but this looked very healthy. So I figured I would go ahead and try this out this week. I'm not sure that I've had this one before, but it is 100% juice. And one ingredient that stuck out is garlic. So I'm hoping it's not gonna be too strong, because that kind of sounds a little odd. Some chicken soup, because it's raining today, and I figured that would be good for dinner. And then these little chickpeas, what is it, like cumin style? Cumin and parsley, Greek style. This is so good on its own as like a side dish. It's so seasoned. So I got 2 of these. If you've never tried these, you definitely are missing out. So I highly recommend picking up and stocking up on these just to have on hand. Doing like a rice bowl with a protein option, this is awesome for that. So I definitely needed that in my life. This I'm most excited to try out. I saw this on the Trader Joe's Instagram, and it's a vegan, meatless, meat lovers pizza, and I'm so excited for this. So for allergens, it has soy, wheat, and coconut. I don't know how the cheese is gonna be. I feel like this, again, could be a hit or a miss. Sorry for the background noise, you guys. My dogs are staying hydrated, so let me know. I feel like it's been a long time coming that they've done a vegan option. They have so many pizzas, so for people like me that are dairy free, I think this might be a good grab and go type of thing for those nights when you just want to have a pizza and chill. So I'm really excited to taste test this for you guys in my weekly vlog, so stay tuned for that if you want to see any of these new items and how I make them into meals and how I kind of pair them with other ingredients. Oh, sticking with the green juices. So they have the green smoothie, and this is the juice. This one's really thick. I do prefer the juices. They're very, very good and refreshing. So, I don't know, I'm trying to get back on my health grind, so I figured those would be really good to have. And then I also had snatched some of these shots. These are my favorite shots, as you guys know that they do. These are the cherry shots, and it has your daily dose of vitamin C. These are so freaking good. So if you like cherry, something tart, delicious, this is definitely going to be good for you. And these are about $1.99 each, which is such a good deal for those. And then of course I just snagged some bananas, so that's that. And in this bag, another new find that I found on Instagram. This is like a ghee butter, but a vegan version to that. So this is made with organic coconut and avocado oil, and it says a vegan ghee alternative. So I figured this would be good to cook proteins in. I don't really know how else you would use ghee, but it definitely is a healthy fat source. So on the back, let's see, this is 120 calories. That's pretty standard for oil. So this has coconut oil, avocado oil, natural flavors, organic turmeric extract, and then something else for color. So I don't know, you guys, this I'm really excited to try. I also wanted to try these. I've never had this before. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I've been so excited to go to Trader Joe's. I have not been in so long, so I got a lot of new things that I haven't had before. So this is like a snack pack, and there's 2 in each one. I typically don't go through a huge container of hummus, so I thought this would be a good option for me. It actually has pita chips in here, and then a perfectly portioned out serving of hummus. So if you're on the go, this will be good for you. As far as allergens, it's just wheat, so it's dairy free, and I'm excited about this. So that'll be a good snack option. As far as protein, 9 grams, that's not bad. All right, next up, I just got this organic blend. I'm gonna do some wraps and stuff, so this is just always convenient to go ahead and throw in those. And speaking of the wraps, these are the tortillas that I got my hands on today. And these are ones that I've never had. It's a habanero lime flour tortilla, and it says that it's medium hot with a hint of lime. So how interesting is that? I'm kind of excited about this. There's 10 wraps in here, so this is what I'm gonna kind of make for my lunches this week. And again, if you guys want to see the taste test, stay tuned for that. I'm like, all these things I'm so excited about. I got some tomatoes for the wraps. And then I also just picked up some ground chicken, so we'll have that this week. And I'm probably gonna try it with this barbecue sauce or season it with this barbecue, the barbecue 101. I thought that would be a healthier option. For those lazy nights, I definitely enjoy the mandarin orange chicken. This is so good when you pair it with some rice. So for that, I just snagged a box of the organic brown rice. This isn't my favorite. Typically I will just buy the regular brown rice. This one is very hearty. You can just tell it has a different bite to it. But these you just keep in the freezer. And then I'm also trying this out. So this is not your typical like deli meat where it's super thin. So I thought this would be really good. It says 100 calories per serving, and there's no flavoring on it or anything. And then protein, of course, it's gonna be high. We got 22 grams in here. So I thought this would be a fun option this week to try out with these wraps. So hopefully it's good, and it says it's ready to eat, so you don't even have to heat this up. And then because I'm a lazy gal, I love to just have my proteins already made for me. So I'm gonna do this lemon pepper chicken. It looked pretty good. I don't know, sometimes I get these and they're very dry, so Trader Joe's, get it together. They're not consistent for me, so I tried to pick the best one. So that's pretty much it for my Trader Joe's haul, all the new finds. Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm just so excited. So many fun things. So if you guys enjoy these videos, you want to see more of them, I haven't been doing as many on my channel, but honestly, I feel like now I'm more excited to go back now that it's, you know, the seasons are changing and everything, to see what else is new and to give you guys those reviews. So thumbs up for that. Comment down below what items you guys are loving right now in store and which items you would like to see me taste test and review in another video coming up very soon if I didn't show it in this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!